lift the car and securely place it on jack stands. Remove the wheel lug nuts and give it a few taps to remove from the hub. Take an Allen key and remove the brake disc locating bolt. Get your favorite diagnostic application and put the hand brake in service mode. Remove the brake caliper bolts. Now remove your brake caliper. You will need a screwdriver to pry it away. Now it's time to get a big breaker bar to remove the brake caliper carrier. Now that's done. Get a hammer and start smacking the disc until it comes off. Get a wire brush and clean all the rust and oxidation, putting silicone grease on the wheel hub. And the back of the brake pads will help avoid brake squeal. Put the new brake disc on, but make sure to spray it with brake cleaner before that. Time to put the brake carrier back on, followed by the new brake pads. If you correctly put the parking brake in service mode, you should be able to easily put the brake caliper on. If not, you will manually need to reset the electric parking brake motor. Now is a good time to check brake fluid level and consider bleeding the brakes. Finally, you can put the wheel back on and drive safely. If that looks easy, make sure to have a look at the full video on my channel for tips and tricks on removing some of the seized bolts.